Good evening, guys. Yes, I'm starting this vlog in the evening. Welcome back to my videos. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kate. Our objective on this vlog today is to get to 1,000 likes. Okay, please just like the video. It's not hard, it's so easy. I know you'll enjoy it. Just like. Thank you so much. Thank you for liking. If you've not liked, ni sawa tu. Says force, you know. Anyway, guys, today is Saturday. I'm starting the vlog on Saturday. We came from the trip yesterday, that was Friday, and a little bit of updates have happened during that time. Number one, my little brother came for a sleepover, and I had to make sure he eats well and enjoys himself, and this is how that went.
She fine, that's fact. She in her own lane, no, she nothing like the other types. She likes, this line so smooth you could cut him with a butter knife. So it's message on message, bed in her presence like heaven. Hoping that she feel the same. Strong 10, light 11. Blessing my retina's getting excited to call you babe. Fresh to death, but I feel alive. Might send a text to some girl online. I get this off my chest, she been on my mind. Think we could get it right, we could get it right this time. We could get it right, we could get it right this time. Yeah. Hey, what's goody? I think you stole my heart, maybe you can steal my hoodie. Right from the start, I could tell that you're different. That's my perspective, my vision, the message is sent. You fell from heaven, but ain't got a dent. Triple that 7, I'm lucky to know you. You got me letting each one of my friends know about you. Looking fresh to death, but I feel alive. I send a text to some girl online. I get this off my chest, she been on my mind. Think we can get it right, we can get it right this time. We can get it right, we can get it right this time. It's all yours, the ball is in your court, girl. For sure, you stole my heart for sure, and I need you. And I need you. I need you. Looking fresh to death, but I feel alive. I send a text to some girl online. I get this off my chest, she been on my mind. Think we can get it right, we can get it right this time. We can get it right, we can get it right this time.
So we actually just from dropping him home. I also took advantage and washed all my clothes when I'm at home. You guys, I do my laundry in my mom's house because she has a washing machine and she's not so far away. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Another update is I have a Jumia food voucher code. It helps you get 150 off of your Jumia food order. But you have to make sure that your order is a minimum of 500, and that's 500 without the shipping cost. So just use it. It's KateSept. It's in the description, and it's on my Instagram page. There is a highlight written Jumia, so you can get all those details there. And make sure you're also following Love to Eat for you to always be updated on the food deals that are currently around. There'll also be more rules. You can check it in the description, or you can check it on my Instagram page. So yeah, guys. So right now I'm actually boiling chicken. My landlords were so kind enough to give me a kienyeji chicken. I'm so excited. So this is basically a chicken week. I'll try eat chicken the whole week and see if I'll get sick of it, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to boil that, have that for supper, and I'll catch you guys later on. Okay, bye.
Sure, and I need you. Yeah, and I need you. I need you. Looking fresh to death, but I feel alive. I send a text to some girl online. I get this off my chest, she been on my mind. Think we can get it right, we can get it right this time. We can get it right, we can get it right this time.
Good morning, guys. My focus. Good morning, guys. So the chicken soup was really good. Fantastic. It was really good. So today morning I just want to make pancakes and bacon, and then we'll go to the supermarket. I need to get a few things. I've been craving pasta, and also Hillary needs to go to the supermarket and buy things for their house. So I'm just taking advantage of the situation and also doing a bit of my shopping. Let me know, guys, if you'd want to see a grocery haul of the things I usually buy to use in the house. Then maybe I can do that. But once I come from the supermarket, if I've seen anything interesting, I'll definitely show you guys. But let's start with breakfast.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh, falling out of love too soon. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you'd complain about the waves.
So guys, we are back home, or rather I'm back home. Hillary ameniacha, of course, but it's okay. Men come and live, okay?
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Anyway, guys, let me show you the interesting
There.
let me show you the interesting things that I got from the supermarket. So the first thing is this food lock container. It is 14 pieces, or rather it's 7 pieces, because they also did it. I don't know why they count the lids, honestly. It's so annoying. And it was going for about 1500 for 14 piece. Another thing that I saw was this Parmesan from Aberdare. Canyon Gold Aberdare Parmesan cheese. If you know Parmesan cheese, you know how expensive it is. Doesn't matter where you're from. It's also very expensive here, and I think this was going for 300 for 80 grams only. But that's the cheapest that I have seen, honestly. But I'll give you guys a review of how it tastes.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh, falling out of love too soon. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave you the ocean, you'd complain about the waves. Guess there's nothing, feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears in the night. Oh, where did all the good things go? Oh, falling out of love too soon. It's a beautiful morning, don't throw it away. If I gave you the sunset, you wish for the rain. Do you even notice what I'm trying to say? If I gave
So I've just
you
made
the ocean, you'd complain about
my supper already. Right now it's 6, and I have to be preparing for a Zoom presentation stroke Zoom meeting stroke. I'm just talking about content creation. Follow me on Instagram, you will have known this and you would have joined us. So I don't know, I keep looking down. But let's do a test, guys. It's so creamy, fatty. Oh my god, the bacon is coming through so nicely. Turned out well. I was supposed to put spinach, nikasahau. I guess I'll put it next time. So let me prepare for my presentation. I'll try to record part of the presentation for you guys. I still need to sleep early because I have a meeting tomorrow at 9 on Mombasa Road. So I'll take you guys with me. But for now, let's eat and get ready for this presentation. Morning guys, we are starting the vlog from down here. Anyway, I just want to show you these pants. These are one of the pants that I got from Emma. Look at it. It's so pretty, right? Look at the fit at the back. Okay, when I got it, hapa haikuwa inashika vizuri, so she fixed for me because she has a sewing machine there, so she fixes for you in case, you know, the bottom is not okay or if the waist is not okay. But these are the pants. One of the pants. How beautiful is this? I'm not even done getting ready. As you can see, my bed is not even made, but I'm going to finish that. I just have to show you guys how good the pants turned out. Directions to Emma. Ni hapo Globe. Nika kwa hizo stairs zenye zinaendanga Ngara. So if you're coming from town going to Ngara, on those steps, she's going to, I don't even know what stall number it is, but at first you'll find somebody who sells jeans, but just go down. She has mannequins outside. It's a she. When you enter, just know it's a she. Or you can just call her with the number that I put down in the description and she'll give you proper directions once you get up chini. Okay guys, please, I cannot be answering everyone yet. I put the number in the description and I showed you guys like the general area where she's in. Okay? Thanks.